YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another print quality test video. Today we're testing out the Epson EcoTank 2720, and we are seeing how good this printer can print color. And my goal in these videos is to do my best through this film to show you what you're going to be getting. There's going to be a link in the description below for this printer. If you were satisfied, or if you were wanting to buy it, or to take a look at some more specs on it, that information is going to be in the description below. So the first picture we're printing out here is a colorful picture of a pug. You've got blue, you've got orange, yellow, and then you've got a little bit of black in there mixed in. It came out really good. There's a lot of splatters of different colors, and they all came out great. Okay, so next is the lion. We've got a black background, and then we've got pretty much all the colors of the rainbow on this lion, and we're gonna see how it comes out on paper. Now, of course, this is different from photo paper. This is just regular paper that we're printing on, so you can't really base this off of a photo quality type of print. But there's your lion, and it appears that all of the colors came through pretty good, and the quality looks decent on there. I mean, I also look at the black because that really shows the depth of the color. But you see there that looks good to me. And through the video, as you can see here, it's not faded. It's not like there's lines missing or anything like that. You've got a good quality picture there on a regular paper. So then we've got our final picture, and I think this might be one of my favorite pictures I've printed so far on paper. You've got a lot of colors that make the picture look shiny. So we're gonna see how the ink portrays this onto the paper. All right, and there you go. Looks great to me. Really good quality. I have nothing bad to say about this printer, and it's great quality. It prints out really fast too. It doesn't take a long time, just because it's a picture. It doesn't take a very long time. So you got all your pictures printed out there. Now, if you were wanting to buy a Dell laptop, which is what I was using in this video, or the printer, as I've said before, all that information is going to be in the description below. And also make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please make sure to subscribe, comment if you have any questions at all. But thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.